Welcome to math class. I'm Mr. Loftus. Today we're going to learn how to set up notes and also learn the classroom rules. Your notes will have three sections. A section on the top for goals, a section down the side for questions, and on the bottom we're going to have a section for conclusions. So at the top I'm going to stop this and explain what I'm going to be doing, and you can do this in your own notes. I'm going to write the word goal and then write today's goal. Sometimes on this video I'll be speeding things up because you don't need to really watch me write, and sometimes I'll slow it down, but at any time you can stop the video if it's going too fast. So our goal is learn the classroom rules. Go ahead and put a section for questions, and I'm going to hit pause here because I want to talk about questions. Anytime you have questions when we're taking notes, you can write a question in that section. Sometimes I'll have the class create questions. Other times it might be homework. And then at the bottom I'm going to write the word conclusion. So the classroom rules are the subject of today's notes. So at the top of your paper, write classroom rules, and the three rules are be safe, be respectful, and be responsible. So go ahead and list those, and you'll see them on a chart in front of the classroom if you're watching this in the classroom. And what we're going to do is brainstorm some ideas about what these different rules will look like in the classroom. So we're going to start with being safe and think about what does a safe classroom look like. So I'm going to put a few ideas down, and you can add to those ideas. You don't have to limit your ideas to what you see on the paper. And that's an interesting point about notes. It's not just copying down what you're seeing, but you can think and you can write some ideas down of your own, and especially with questions. So I just thought real quickly, safe classroom, there's no running. You enter the classroom quietly. And I added to be careful. So I'm going to hit stop before I go into the next one, and you can add a few more to your safe brainstorm. What does a safe classroom look like? Think back to some classes that you've been in. And we're going to do the same brainstorm in your notes with respectful. This one is a little bit more difficult. I came up with something pretty quickly about listening, listen to others, but then after that, it's not quite as obvious as safe. So at this point in the video, you might want to stop this video and go to the other resources in Edmodo and take a look at those. In fact, I didn't add any, but you can add a few more ideas about what a respectful classroom would look like. And then we're going to finish off with some ideas about a responsible classroom. So in your notes, write another brainstorm circle, write the word responsible, and try to think of some ideas that relate to being responsible in the classroom. Be sure to watch the video that I've added in Edmodo. It's from an elementary school, and they made a video about their different jobs in the classroom.